Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert the format of a certain image without installing any software or application in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first is you need to bring up your picture. Okay, proceed to downloads, which where my downloaded pictures is located. So just proceed to your location where your pictures has been saved to and select the image that you want it to convert. Okay, so once you have selected it, double tap to open. And once you have opened your image, proceed to the three dots here, which you can see at the left side of your screen. Tap it, and it has these different options. Proceed to save as, click on it. And here you are being redirected to the location where you want your image to be saved. Okay, so let's locate the desktop and let's change the name first into slowdown, which is the image or the picture itself. And here at the save as type, here's the thing. Click this down arrow, and here, the moment you click on that, you are able to select the format that you want to. You can go with GPG, JPEG, GPE, PNG, and more of that. So I'll be going with GPG, saved, and let's close this and go with our desktop. So in that manner, we have just successfully changed our file format, our image format rather, which is GPG. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.